Hello everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to change your Butag on the Busha app. First of all, just start by logging into your Busha account through the mobile application. Once logged in, locate the section within the app that displays your profile information or account settings. This is typically found by tapping on your profile picture or an icon representing setting. Now within your profile or account setting, you should find your current Butag displayed. It might be labeled as Busha tag, username, or a similar identifier. Look for an edit, change, or similar option located near your current boot tag. This option allows you to modify your existing tag. Now, once you found the edit option, you'll be prompted to enter your desired new Busha tag. Type in the new tag you wish to use, ensuring it meets any specific requirement, that is the length or the characters. Now, for security reasons, Busha may require you to verify your identity or confirm the change. This may involve entering a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number or using 2FA. After entering your new Busha tag and completing any necessary verification, look for a save, update, or confirm button to finalize the change. You should receive a confirmation message or notification indicating that your Busha tag has been successfully changed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.